Hey, trendy babes! It's been so long. I feel like it's been so long. I don't even remember what I last posted. I actually have to go check. I do not remember. I've been working and grinding, but I did not forget about my babes. I didn't forget. I was so excited today because, as you guys can read from the title, I'm doing how I style my baby hairs. I guess part 1, because I have many more styles out there, but I just wanted to come back with the basic, you feel me, to help my young women, girls, females out there tough style their hair, sis. So I was so excited that right after work I literally went to the beauty supply store. It makes me so better just to think like I'm about to walk into heaven. Every curly headed chick, or just girls that just love working on themselves, love going to the beauty supply store. You guys can't tell me you guys don't. Stop lying to me. So when I went in, it's been a while since I have done my edges, so I went in and I bought some Ecostyles professional styling gel that has argan oil in it, because we always want to help our hair, you know. This is, to me, one of the best gels on the planet. I don't care what no one says. This is the best gel I've ever used in my entire time of being alive. Okay, this is it right here. This is it. It's a good price. I only got this for $1.99. One of the best gels ever. And the other thing I got, because I had like three brushes. I don't know where they went. I'm telling you, right after I came back from college, I do not know where any of my stuff are. So that's an excuse to go get some more, so I ain't complaining. So I got this. This is from Red by Kiss. Anyone who knows like real beauty supply stuff for real know that Kiss is one of the best companies to make like really good sturdy, like y'all can tell by this how sturdy this is, products. This only cost me $3 at any store. I'm telling you, any beauty supply is gonna have something by Kiss. I promise you. Go check and comment down below if I was right. So this is by Kiss. It's really sturdy. They have the little brush, as you can see, it's really little. Then they have the bristle part, which is the most important part, and like these are like the dividers. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. I forgot that I actually have to show y'all how I did this. I'm so sorry. But before I do that, of course, I need to get this out the way. Thank you guys for showing me so much love. I love you guys. I love every single one of you guys. Every single one of you guys help me, and you guys are the reason why my family is growing bigger and bigger. This Trendy Babe family is getting so big. I see y'all out there. I see y'all. Thanks for the support. I appreciate every single one of you. Big kiss to all of you. And don't forget that if you stumbled across my page, welcome to the family. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button that's right here. I know y'all see it. Y'all might as well just click the subscribe button while you guys are at it, and click that bell notification to know when your girl Talia is posting for you guys. Okay, like and share with your friends. Let's get into this look now to the edges. So I'm looking scruffy, but that's the point. That's how we all should start, with my hyper ass. So I messed up my edges. You're supposed to like comb them all the way down, and I'm using my brand new spritz bottle to just moisten, whatever, my baby hairs in the front. I'm going to be using my Kiss baby brush, and I'm going to also be using my Ecostyles professional styling gel with argan oil. So oh yeah, and also I'm going to be using my baby mirror that you can see me from. Let's get it. My nose itching. Literally every time I record, my nose does that thing where it just distracts the hell out of me. So I'm going to be using my Kiss brush, and I'm going to be just brushing them down, making sure that they're detangled, as so. My favorite part of doing my baby hairs has to be the side, like the sideburn parts. That's my favorite. So I'm going to be dabbing some gel onto my brush, and I'm going to just be swooping it down and swooping to the side. It's really self-explanatory, but I just felt like talking. I really just should have just left it without voiceover, but I think you guys like when I guess talk through stuff, so I'm talking through stuff. I'm going to be swiveling and swooshing to my right hand side while using my finger to assist with the slay down. Yeah, this does take a minute because I am the type of person that loves to make sure that my baby hairs are sleek. I hate frizz, so whatever frizz you see, trust me, I'm gonna tame that. That's why this video is as long as it is for this. And it is faster than this, and you can definitely do this faster, but I just chose to take my time because a girl gotta hit that 10-minute, you feel me? I'm going to be taking some more and going on my left hand side for the same thing I did on my right. Everything that you see is a replica of what I just did. Oh yeah. So as you can see here, I used a little bit too much hair, so I'm going to put that amount of hair back into my slick back bun. Whatever hair I don't need, I will either take some or leave some and use what I actually need. I'm swooshing to the left, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, right kick, left kick, right kick, left kick. Now walk it by yourself, now walk it by yourself. To the right, 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 the left, swoosh to the left, swoosh to the left, to the left, to the left, right kick, left swivel, left swoosh, left swivel. Clean it up, clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Do the edges shuffle? Oh, do the edges shuffle? Look how clean that look. You cannot tell me that is not clean. I think left, that has to be my favorite side. So look at that. Just take a look at that. I'm not done though. I'm not done. I can't leave you on red like that. So I'm gonna be putting some more gel on my brush and going in. This is my favorite part, and you guys will see why. It just looks so clean. Clean is the best word to use. Listen, you having a bad hair day, you come and slay your edges just like how I did. It don't even matter anymore. It doesn't even matter. People are gonna be looking at your baby hairs. That's why you take the most time on that. That's the front of your head. That's almost that's near your face, and people look at your face first. So it's really important to get it down. And my finger really helps me. Gosh, I hate squinting that one eye because I really can't even see. Look at my one eye. Look. Yeah, that really makes me cross-eyed. I'm going to be taming that frizz. As you guys can see, I really do not like frizz, so make sure that with the same gel you just tame whatever's hanging around and just flying. My finger helps me a lot. It really does. On to the other side. Taking some gel like before. Doing the same thing. This has to be my favorite side. This side right here, my left side is my favorite because of my piercing side. It looks so smexy. Yummy. Yummy. See how the finger helps? It flattens it. That's what it does. Now, duh. It flattens it, and it just makes sure that it won't move. That gel, once it dries, it does not move. You have to wet it. Look at that. Look at that beauty. of course, with my perfected self, I'm going to want to now team all that frizz. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one that's right in the middle of my forehead. All right, so this you don't have to do, but since I'm extra, then I choose to. But if you guys want to go for the whole thing, then just follow what I'm about to do. It's the same thing, but like, since there's no corner and it's in the middle of your head, you have to swivel it back up into your ponytail. Watch closely. This is also, to me, like the hardest one because it has no corner. It's just right there. So like, you have to make it look like the rest of them. And of course that part is not going to cooperate since it's the shortest, and my hair is so curly that it won't ever try to cooperate, but we'll try. It's literally been so long since I've done my edges. I think it has to be like a good 6 months. Has to be. That's a long time. What was I doing? Yeah, so this part, guys, is gonna take me a minute. Just bear with me here. Y'all can fast forward if y'all want to, but y'all gonna miss the deets. Yeah, it's really just like that. It's that simple. I just overcomplicate everything, so don't mind the time that I take. Yeah, that's what I was trying to get you guys to understand. But yeah, now time for the frizz part. Excuse my mirror, it's out the way now. Of course I'm gonna try to model because I'm like that. You see those little frizz balls? Y'all ain't gonna see them in a minute. I'm dabbing right back into my gel. And there has to be some kind of bomb playlist that's playing right in my head right now, because I've been bopping this entire tutorial. You see? Big on! I'm gonna do the same thing around the rest of my head. Y'all get the picture already? My face looks so ugly doing that. Look. That's the concentrated oh, man. Oh, my God. Bruh. I was almost finished. Let's see if I can fix it. I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. Come on. This can't be any longer than what it should be. Alright, so back to what I was doing. Taming the frizz. Y'all know the deets. Make sure you get the back of your head, please. Please get your kitchen. Kitchen is like those dry peas that are in the back of your head. We all know what I'm talking about. Don't act like you don't know. And if you don't know, now you know. This is the final look. I'm finished. If you like this look, please like, comment, and share with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to your girl Talia. I hope you liked my edges, because I sure did.